Okay, so for 30, we're trying to potentially just rephrase this underlined bit. And is there any effective way we can do that? Well, so during its early years, we decided that its is the correct answer here, number 29. So during its early years, the movement also focused on the value of spending lots of time with family and friends during long meals. Okay, so we definitely understand what it's trying to say here, that it's a focus on, well, spending a lot of time with family and friends during these longer meals. The issue here is that this is kind of informally and a little bit awkwardly phrased, right? Lots of time is a pretty informal way of speaking. So let's see if there's any alternative that can express the same idea, but in a more formal and maybe concise way, right? This is a pretty long string of words. So let's see if there's anything better than A. B. Leisurely meals with family and friends. That sounds pretty good, right? The word leisure pretty much already includes, spending lots of time. Leisure, especially considering what's coming next in the paragraph, it definitely seems like leisure is a good word for this situation. C. Eating slowly and in the company of loved ones such as family and friends, or I'm sorry, friends and family. So this doesn't really do much, uh, do any good rephrasing this, just because it sort of just changes the order of things. But it's still long in terms of the phrasing. In addition, it's also just, I mean, it could definitely be condensed more like B, right? B is a very concise way of expressing this same idea. And remember, the SAT really likes simple, concise sentences. So D, joining friends as well as family for time-consuming meals. So time-consuming isn't exactly what's meant here. I mean, like, yes, it says during long meals, but long just sort of means not short. But time-consuming has a bit of a connotation that almost like a negative connotation, like it's like hard to do because it's time-consuming or it's tedious. So this sort of changes the meaning of the sentence and adds a connotation that doesn't really fit well. Plus, it's wordy. So B is our answer here simply because it's the most concise way to rephrase this underlined portion, because leisurely pretty much encompasses this long meals and spending lots of time, because you do that, with leisure. So B is our answer.